Hello traders, this is a weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 11th of March 2024 and the week will end on Friday 15th of March 2024. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be having good profits. You must be doing very well. You must have made good profits in the last 2-3 weeks. The setups that I gave, most of them, I mean 99% of them are justified. So also I should say very special thanks to all of you for your kind feedback in the form of WhatsApp messages and in the form of comments on those particular videos. So last 2 weeks I could not uploaded any videos due to some commitments, family commitments you can say, and the other reason which was the setups that I discussed in previous videos, they were not exactly completed, so I was waiting for them to complete so that I can find new setups and give them to you. Now these setups I give for long-term traders, for weekly traders, but those traders who want to day trade and swing trade during the week following these particular direction and impulsive waves according to the Fibonacci strategy and Elliott wave theory. If any day trader or intraday trader or swing trader follow these directions correctly, can make some nice and fantastic profits. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart. Right now you can see I am on the dollar index, and you can check back my previous videos. I don't want to cut the clips from there and paste it right here in this video, and I don't want to make this video a complete mess. That's why I'm not going to clip those videos. I highly recommend, if you are watching me for the first time, go through some of my previous videos to get some understanding of my strategy. So the dollar index today, as you can see right here, this current plan and even this plan I have delivered it to most of you out there in the groups as well, all the way since the start of the year. So dollar index on the chart you can see several levels, 107, 104, 103, 102, 102.18, and most of you will remember that all of these levels were my levels. They belonged to my level. So 105 was promised that the market is going to hit 105. It did, all the way. When market was rejected from this trend line, I gave this prediction, and right here result is in front of you. Remember everyone, forex is very simple, and when we see these setups on the charts, we think that it seems as a joke, but this is not a joke. You can also make this much money. You just have a look at it all the way from 100 excuse me, this video is going to go unedited. So right here obviously 105 is achieved nicely, and I then predicted that I will be looking for some sell opportunities. So result is also right here in front of you. The market dropped from there, and what's next? The next thing is, definitely most of you will be watching me for the first time, so let's head over to the weekly time frame and let me give you a little bit of overview about this whole trend line and where it comes from. This trend line started all the way on 17th May 2021, so pretty much strong trend we have, and this, if you can see, was a very nice, on a weekly time frame, a very nice previous breakout zone. So market went up there, came down and retested this level, giving us a very nice and fantastic impulsive wave right here. And as you can see, the impulsive wave first leg is complete right here, though 108.97, most of you will know that I have discussed this zone and is not yet exactly achieved. 61.8% retracement at a price zone of 108.94. so this is not yet achieved, which means the market is like, there is still potential left, unless this price breaks the trend line to the bottom side, there is still this potential that the bulls can push the market towards 108.971 to complete that unfulfilled level. I hope you get this idea and this concept, because it is very much important for every trader to understand. So the long-term image, obviously, this impulsive like 61.8% retracement is not yet exactly achieved of this zone, but on a weekly time frame we have another impulsive wave that gave very fantastic profits all the way from 107. So it dropped, then 104, and from 104 it also dropped. Why it dropped from here, I will be explaining that, and this is a learning curve for all of you who are struggling with making profits on regular basis. What is so special about this zone? If I draw Fibonacci from top to bottom, and if we see, we can exactly see 61.8% retracement at a price of 104.568. I just want to let you know, think about it for just once, why markets are keep rejecting from 61.8% retracements, because this strategy and this places and these levels, again and again I keep repeating these things, these levels belongs to bigger traders. So whenever a bigger trader, a price enters into a zone where it belongs to big traders, game changers or game makers, these are the levels of those people. So that's why we have seen for like 1, 2, 3 and 4th week consecutively the market drop. Now I am switching to the daily time frame in order to find out what we can potentially get on the lower time frame. Since from here we entered into a sell 104.749, 102.184 was a target zone, so I assume that the targets are hit right here, and we have get a rejection. So the rejection most probably on Monday and in the upcoming week most probably is going to be towards 103, and maybe during the week if it go up there I might be looking for some sell opportunities. Let's see what it gives me next, but to me it is a very fantastic trade opportunity on this dollar index. The fantastic trade opportunity will be looking for sell opportunities from 103.98 and 104.749. again, if the market go back up, created a double top, is going to be a fantastic sell level, though the market is right now standing at a buy zone with stops below the trend line, and let the market run towards this zone right here. And the zone, if I show you it, if I complete this ABCD pattern, it will be exactly completing near 107.121, which is an ABCD pattern, and this is the beauty of my strategy. Let's suppose if I enter as a bull right here, I have to put a very tiny stop loss right here. I just want to show you it will look something like this, and it makes a very nice sense that okay, now let's say we enter from here, this is going to be the stop loss, this much, and this is going to be the take profit, almost we can say this much. So if we see, is this a very hard thing to do? Is this very hard? No, just place a trade, leave it, and leave it, let it hit the stop loss or let it hit the TP, right? Most of the days what they do is, if it go negative against them, what they do is, if a trade goes negative against them, they leave it. Let's say if it go down, I will leave it, and I will leave it, it will stop me out, right? It's fine, it's totally fine, it's according to the strategy. If it continue back up, and if it reaches 103, let's say right here, the trader immediately closes it. Why? Because this place belongs to seller. Well, very tiny sellers may appear. So if you can leave the trade in negative, why don't you wait for your TPs? Just let me know in the comment section down below. So this is the dollar index. Let's see what it gives next, definitely. And obviously a break below this trend line, I will then observe the market a little bit for a little bit more time, and then I will be in a better position to say something about it, right? Now moving on to the euro US dollar, very favorite pair of most of all of the beginners. So euro dollar did a very fantastic thing, and most of you will remember that what I said about euro dollar. First of all, this was a very nice fantastic trend which was broken, retested, and the market continued down. So we took full advantage of this impulsive wave. At each and every pullback I tried to sell it towards 106 500 was my original level, but the market obviously then reversed from 107,014. This much plus minus difference, it will always be there. Okay, nothing is 100% precise, so this 98% difference, it like 2% or 1% of difference, it definitely will be the every strategy will be offering you this much difference. But the beauty of my strategy definitely is that it tells you everything in advance. It eliminates all of your emotions. Why? Because you stick to one thing, and if you stick to it, you just trade with the strategy, and it will be giving you huge profit. So euro US dollar, what it did is, actually, if you see, the market dropped very nicely from all the way from there towards 107,000, you can say. And this impulsive, like, I have covered this whole as a bull. So if you have time, check back some of my previous videos from November and October previous year 2023. Now what's next? Since the market gave us this whole impulsive leg, and this whole impulsive leg is like, this story is now completed. Okay, I want to say this story is now completed. Most of the traders will be thinking it is going back up, it is going back up, but I'm holding sell opinion right here. Why? Because I will have to put very tiny stop loss for this one, and you just see how much profit it gave right here. Just have a look at it. From all the way from right here, a little bit of drawdown to the top side, and then a drop towards 10866. So a drop towards 10866, a further drop is expected, and this much profits we can easily get from the markets. Now let me run a little bit of analysis over this euro US dollar, and let's delete these lines. So I want my chart to be very clear and clean enough. Okay, that is fantastic. Different levels you can see on my chart at this present moment. One obviously is 109,601, and we have got a very strong resistance right here for the weekly traders. So let's see, the market may drop towards 108,866 in the upcoming week, but since I'm a Fibonacci trader, definitely those of traders who took buys from here, I highly recommend close them right now. This is the right place. And for this particular analysis of the euro US dollar, what I'm going to see is the market will be coming back definitely down towards 61.8% retracement, and this is a not a very strong level, I should say, because the impulsive leg is not too strong. That's why this 61 may not be very strong. The market definitely in the upcoming week or in the upcoming 2 weeks will be trying to push down towards these levels, these tiny levels, you can say. But even if I assume this, or I assume this both ways, if I assume this, it comes closer to this 107,698 right here, and this is a very fantastic zone for further buying, looking for further buying opportunities right here. So the setup will look something like this, approximate numbers I'm giving right here. And if we see, the market will be joined, like the market will establish a new trend. We have seen most of the time, this is just a prediction, may happen, may not happen, but it will look something like this. And this is a new trend prediction. The market broke this level because everyone knew market is going up. So those bulls have to, some of the bulls have to give the profits back to the market as a buying from right here, and I clearly have told you this is not exactly a buy level, and even if it is, it will suggest a stop loss right here, not more than that. So those of you who are who took buys from here and who left the market open, the trades open till here, I think for them this is going to be a some more buys for some hedgings as well. This is one trade opportunity, and if I complete this, it will exactly be completed right here. This is the daily time frame. You see this story started all the way from here and it ended right here. If you give me some comments, I will explain this V shape story, start, story, and pattern with all of you right here. If you can see, started from here, we took advantage of it, then started from here, we took advantage for it from it, and now it is predicting a drop towards 107,698, from where I'm planning to add buying more buy position towards 1.12. So euro US dollar, very nicely it moved and it gave fantastic profits to all of the clients and everyone. Now from the clients I remembered one thing, just in case if you need my help, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me and you can just ask me about my courses. I offer different like one course I offer, followed by a broadcast message service as well, plus trade management you can say, and real-time WhatsApp support. So most of the traders, when it comes to me, they have blown their accounts or they are almost near that. So before that time comes, I highly recommend every trader, if you are playing with your real money, try to hire a mentor for yourself, because you always, in forex trading, you always will need someone with whom you can discuss your trade idea. You may be a very experienced trader, you may be a beginner. For all of types of traders, I have courses and I have mentorship programs, and this is my strategy. If you can see right here, in this 3-4 months of course, those who get my premium service, I explain this strategy. I train every trader to trade with it and make good profits with it. So it's not very much technical, very simple. It is derived from the Elliott wave combined with the Fibonacci and some of the hidden levels, which I definitely cannot say, hidden tools which I cannot say right here. So if someone is interested, do contact me, and I hope and I'm sure it will be a life-changing course for all of you. Moving on to the pound dollar, video length is also getting too much because I have not uploaded a video in the last 2 weeks. So I want to like dig down situation, you can say. And right here, you dollar yen, in the group I gave this signal and it almost hit the TP, but I did not discuss it live. It was just with the clients. So what was my prediction in the previous videos? We took buying positions all the way from right here, you will remember from the previous videos, because if you see a very fantastic support it was, you just have a look at it. It gave a false breakout, and when break in on a retest, it was a fantastic trade opportunity. And right here again it was a sell trade, but if you if I show you this, it gave this much profit, 465, and it took how much profit big from me when I took a sell right here. So it just took 183. This is part of trading and it will be happening. Still, net account is in net profit, and this is how I manage my trades, and this is how I manage my equity to play with the trades very nicely. This one I had at some point in time I had no hopes from this trade, but since very tiny stop loss was involved, so I was not sad about it, I was not upset about it, I was not emotional about it. And that's what I want to tell every one of you, to trade like this way and then see the difference. Just note down, take a printout of your accounts now, and what I said today in the video, follow that, and after next month you see how much drastic change occurs in your returns, right? So those traders who follow the levels correctly make even more than 25% of their account per month. Dollar yen, since it dropped, I already booked profit from it, but it has to definitely drop further, and it has to drop to which level or what level? It has to drop towards this level right here. What is so special about it? Let me explain. The special thing about it is, the first thing is definitely this is 61.8% retracement of this impulsive leg. And one more thing, since this one is very lengthy, so this is my strategy suggests that if the market drops towards this zone like this, let me show you. Since this is, this is an impulsive leg and it has a Fibonacci, so the Fibonacci will be showing us this thing, and right after this, if I complete this pattern exactly, it is going to complete near 154.63. So both ways, if you are holding long-term positions from right here and you left the position, this is a fantastic zone for all of those who are looking for buying opportunities. 144.337. Obviously sell at this point I don't recommend, but yes, those of you who want to sell upon the correction towards 149 again, right here, if you can see this broken level, see this support very easily is broken. So the market potentially next week can go back up, and the dollar index is also showing an up move. So I think it will first go up, and then from there, if we can catch a further sell trade, that will be fantastic. So this trade, I am closing it now because it is just on my screen. So now this is the dollar yen, and I think it should retrace back a little bit right here. If we see on the H4, this is for the weekly traders, and on the H4 this is a very fantastic support, so maybe the market can range and stuff like that, but please don't sell at this price point. This is what I want to tell you. Let's have a look at the gold. Oh, 2191.327. Finally the market hit that level. Do you guys now believe on my strategy? Just check out my previous videos. It just got completed, and I just want to see what the market is going to do next, because most probably the market has to drop a little bit, drop and take a retest. So if it take a retest at 2071 right here, 2079, 2080, then I must be looking for a bullish opportunity. Otherwise at this price point, this is not ideal for buy. Yes, it's ideal for sell. Those of traders who want to put some tiny stop losses, this is going to be a fantastic sell opportunity. Fantastic, why I'm saying fantastic? Because it will have a very tiny stop loss and just take one sell. If it hits the SL, just leave it. Okay, so I think I'm not going to say anything about gold. It is standing at a sell price point, but there is one other level, which was this one. In the longer run, I also discussed it, but let me give you another idea. This is this impulsive leg, so, and this is again a very stronger one, so it suggests 2168 and 2270 right here, and 2270 can give me further good opportunity, and this will be the highest resistance zone this year most probably. So let's see what it gives us further. There is still room left with us. The market can go up. Moving on to the pound dollar, there was a fantastic range, and how many of you took advantage of it? Those of you who took advantage of it but did not message me, please let me know in the comment section, because it was ranging right here. We made enough profits from right here, right here, right here, right here. Last videos you can check out, and finally a breakout. But a breakout doesn't mean we have, and in the previous videos I also have discussed it, that a breakout doesn't mean it will be continuing forever. Okay, this breakout can just be till 1.29348. so I will like to see the market there first, then I will be planning a sell trade. Very simple. It is a very fantastic resistance zone. It will be all the way from July 20 7th 2023 last year. So we can plan some trade, and those traders who took buys with me, some of them closed right here and the rest will be closed here, or you can close your whole positions. Looking at the monthly, yes, the monthly still seems the same, and upon the break of this one, story will be something else. So this was the weekly forex forecast video. Discussed gold. I want to stay neutral a little bit. Dollar, yen, and euro US dollar and dollar index, these and pound dollar, these five pairs I have discussed this week in detail. I hope you make lots and lots and lots of profits. I'm giving the link of the, like, I'm giving the WhatsApp number right here on the screen. You can contact me at any time and I will guide you about my course. If you are serious, I can accommodate 2-3 clients further. So if you want to join, it is a one-on-one Zoom session. I train personally, and I hope it will be a life-changing course for all of you. Thank you so much once again for being here with me. I wish you make lots and lots of profit, and I wish you never see loss of a single dollar. Thank you so much again. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.